Today we have a healthy dose of LA charm. It is a Spanish style here in South LA. I guess you would call this Gramercy Park adjacent. It is an up and coming neighborhood. It's a gorgeous remodeled, completely redone from the ground up home. I can't wait to show you the charm in this beautiful property. So how about we take a look? How about the beautiful walkway with luscious green, which is kind of rare to find in LA. So can you see yourself here in a little patio setting outdoors looking at your front yard after the end of the day? I think it's a nice little way of having an outdoor setting in the front of your house. So let's go in and take a look inside. I just love how the homeowner and designer of the home implemented the original pieces of the property from the 1930s when the home was first built and kept a lot of those pieces in the home. He refurbished a lot of them. Some are newer pieces, but they kept the theme, the Spanish style theme of the property still living today. Let's take a quick look at these amazing, how about these amazing light fixtures? I just love how it's just two of them, but they beautifully go in with the mantle, which is also built in, the beautiful curves, and they go together with the arch over here, together with the small arch up here on the sides, and the big arch coming into the dining room. I love the details. Everything was thought and carefully put together. How do you not love that? So let's keep looking. And the kitchen. I love the details in the kitchen. My favorite part by far, that sink. How about the copper sink with the farmer style going over here? I just love the details. Obviously, he matched it together with the fixture, the beautiful granite, the butcher's block over here next to the stove. I just love the details, guys, with the white cabinets and a nice little detail, little breakfast nook. How cute is this? It just makes you want to have breakfast. So we saw the kitchen. The dining room area is right next to it, which I love. Easy to get to. From when you finish cooking over to sitting down, you are overlooking. It's not an open floor concept, but you're really opened up to, you still open up to the living room area, which I love. So you can entertain easily without having to be an open floor concept. So it still has the original feeling of the home, and I love that. So check out these amazing little details on the home. The on and off switch, I love the details. It adds character to the home. The amazing texture of the piece also. And what I love about it, yes, is a 1930s home, but it also has all the modern amenities to the of today's homes. So we go into the living quarters. We have bedroom number 1. Then we see the bathroom over here. Bathroom number 1, which I love the tiles. It has a modern yet older feel to it. How can you not love that? The shower details as well. You have your rain shower up here, and then your simple sink, and nice and clean, that matches with the tub and the shower. And then the bedroom number 1, which is the smaller bedroom, has also access to the outdoor deck, which I love. Both bedrooms have access to the outdoor deck. So we're actually gonna go reverse. Let's take a look at the second bedroom, the master suite through the first bedroom. So now we have the master suite. It is bigger. I love the feel of it. Here's what I love, the details in the ceiling. How about that? That is gorgeous little detail. I love how the owner decided to paint it just a little bit different color, so it kind of pops, but it's not overwhelming. Together with the closet doors, it has a little modern feel to it as well. And the bathroom, the master bath, again, these lovely switches. How can you not love these switches? Have all the details of the old charm, yet there are brand new tiles, because the old ones, honestly, they needed to be replaced. But I feel like these still carry the charm and the old world charm that this house had in the past. And I love it. Somebody pass me a nice cold beer, please. I can totally see myself having a mimosa at the end of the day, or on a Sunday or something like that. Or maybe a beer with the guys, having the TV rolling in the garage and having some outdoor space, grilling out here. There is right back there an outdoor grill as well, a pit, so you can go ahead and make, I think, half a hog, which is really nice, and some briskets. The details in here I love. It feels airy, it feels clean, it feels new. 2-car garage. What's not to love about this? And I just found a new piece of this property, which I didn't see it before. An herb garden. How lovely is that? We got, this is definitely some parsley here, which I love. We got jalapeno peppers. That's pretty cool. Some tomatoes. What else? Rosemary. Can you tell I know my plants because I have some at home? And we have another beautiful outdoor sitting area. I love that. I love that. I think you can probably put maybe a projector here as well to shoot movies, or even have a TV, outdoor TV. Love this concept. So final thoughts on the home. I feel like they did an amazing job. The homeowners did an amazing job at capturing that old charm of the home again and merging it together with newer pieces, modernizing the home, and at the same time maybe adding some of those new pieces that have a more eco-friendly, user-friendly aspect and still have the old world feeling to it. I am a huge fan of revivals. Obviously, you know, that's what we do here. Everybody loves the big multi-million-dollar homes, and there are so many channels where you can go see those, but here I feel like we want to showcase the homes that most of us truly do like, the homes with more character, more of a cozy feel, what we call in the industry white box homes. They're pretty cool, very modern, but at the same time they feel like they're missing texture and warmth, and this home captures all those little things. What about outside? So the front of the home, you saw the beautiful tiles tied in together, and also that nice patio. So you have 3 patio areas in this home, 1 in the front and 2 in the back, 1 right next to and attached to the master suite, and also with access to that second smaller bedroom, so your guest or your child also has access to the outdoor area and patio, easy access out, and also the one all the way in the back. I thought it was genius. I love how cozy the home is, and the details on the arches. Everything was delightfully put together. I'm a big fan. Whoever the designer is, thumbs up, buddy. You're a winner. I want to thank Iris. She is the realtor who actually has this listing. She is an area expert in other areas here in LA. Give her a call. I'll put her contact below. She was kind enough to let us in and arrange everything with the homeowner, who actually put the home up for sale just a couple weeks ago, and it went into escrow super quick. I can see why. I hope you enjoy this. If you have a home that you think should be featured in our channel, feel free to message us, and also stay tuned. I think we might be doing a Victorian home next. See you guys.